These bars, you can see the Ashiatsu practitioner was able to put the Ashiatsu bars into the drop ceiling. It has 3 points of attachment, one towards either end, and then an extra set right in the middle, just for added strength to support your weight if you needed to hang from the bars for any reason, for balance and support, or performing advanced strokes and needing to have the bars be able to support all of your weight. Here over the threaded rods, you can see they're covered with a black foam, which just adds to it aesthetically. That way they look a bit nicer rather than just having the threaded rod showing. So here you can see the threaded rod with the foam removed. Again, that's the foam covering there. And it's just a simple black foam covering. It was split on this side to fit over the threaded rod easily. Here to show how the threaded rods are attached to the ceiling for support. When the drop ceiling is lifted, you can see the bottom of the threaded rod. Beneath that black foam is the threaded rod. It goes through the ceiling, through the insulation, and there's the threaded rod. And there you can see the threaded rod is drilled into place into that 2x4. There's the other threaded rod, and you can see the 2 screws there that are screwed through the 2x4 that supports the threaded rods and up into the ceiling beam there. And then you can also see at the further end the 2 screws that screw that end of the 2x4 into that ceiling beam. They have this setup at each of the 3 pairs of threaded rods that are where the Ashiatsu bar is attached to. So that was the far supports closest to the wall. And then here lifting this drop ceiling, there's the middle supports, same setup with the screws going into the ceiling beam, and the threaded rods are going just into the 2x4. And then the last set of support threaded rods, you can see again the same setup. So it's just 3 2x4s cut to size and screwed into the ceiling beams, and then threaded rods from there down, so that your finished product is a set of Ashiatsu bars from the drop ceiling that are held in place with great support and able to support hundreds of pounds of weight no problem.